Welcome back to PR Tool School. Today we're diving into AI Generative Tools for graphics. Tools that let PR teams and communicators create stunning visuals faster than ever, even if you're not a designer. First up is Adobe Firefly. Firefly is Adobe's family of creative AI models, embedded right inside apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Lightroom, and Adobe Stock. For just $9.99 a month, you can use everyday language to create exactly what you imagine, whether it's an image, a layout, or a design element. Firefly is all about empowering your ideas and bringing your creative vision to life. Next, Canva AI Studio. Part of Canva's Magic Studio suite, it's perfect for PR teams who want to turn text prompts into branded social graphics and videos without a steep learning curve. You can generate video clips, apply brand fonts and colors, and resize for social formats, all from $12.99 a month for full access. Even the free version gives you a taste of AI-powered creativity. And finally, Stable Diffusion. This open-source text-to-image AI model is a powerhouse for generating unique visuals. You can create photorealistic images, stylized illustrations, or edit parts of an image with in-painting and out-painting features. Paid access starts at just $10 a month, making it a versatile option for teams who want flexibility without breaking the budget. With tools like these, PR teams can turn ideas into visuals faster, scale creative campaigns, and stay on brand without needing advanced design skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PR Tool School tips. And check out PRToolfinder.com to explore these tools and many more.